Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty. So Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are getting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet doll free ideas, beautiful amigurumi toys. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different designing, fabulous crocheting work, and some are beautiful crochet dresses wearing ideas, beautiful crochet romper, crochet frock, and different type of crochet dresses wearing. Mind-blowing pattern, different colors, different ideas, and you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet amigurumi doll free ideas. So viewers, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And good comment section. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. You can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, crochet different amigurumi patterns, handbag, beautiful gloves, fingerless gloves, cat bed, dog sweater, handbag, and different dresses, mind-blowing ideas, beautiful jewelry. So please good comment section, follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet work. Very nice. Beautiful pattern, beautiful ideas, most demanding collection. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.